This video will assist you in changing the blades on your Husqvarna K3000 cut and brake. Before removing the blades, loosen the center bolt and the nuts on the bar cover. Use your combination spanner to loosen the nut holding the blades in place. You can easily remove the screws and blades with your hands after using the combination tool. Before mounting the new blades, check the bearing and replace if necessary. Insert the bolt, then fit the new blades on the bar. Align the pins in the washer with the holes in the nut. Use the combination tool to tighten the center bolt. Tighten it gently and rotate the blades to make sure the belt doesn't get clamped. Repeat this procedure and tighten the bolt harder every time. By turning the eccentric plate with the Torx 27 wrench, you tension the belt. Then tighten the center bolt with the combination tool. Check that the belt is tensioned correctly. Tighten the nuts on the cover. Refer to your operator's manual for more detailed information about our K3000 cut and brake.